Have you found that your current scope simply won't trigger on small signals? Rohde Schwarz MXO5 series oscilloscopes can trigger on signals as small as 1/1000th of a vertical division thanks to digital triggering. Let's take a look. The digital trigger gives you full control of the trigger level and how much hysteresis you would like. Hysteresis is the amount of additional signal swing beyond the trigger level required for a valid trigger. Scopes with analog triggers do not allow you to manually change the hysteresis. Rohde Schwarz scopes with a digital trigger like the MXO5 allow for this adjustment. Our hysteresis is currently set to 100 millivolts. We will select the minimum value of 0 volts. We can now reliably trigger on signals even smaller. Check out Rohde Schwarz MXO oscilloscopes in your lab. See the difference.